CISSP, the Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Lecture 1. Understand and apply concepts of confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability, also known as the CIA triad, is a model designed to guide policies for information security within an organization. Confidentiality is to ensure that information is provided only to those who are authorized to have access to it. Confidentiality implies that those who do are not authorized or entitled to some information cannot access it. When we talk about confidentiality of information, we are talking about protecting the information from disclosure to unauthorized parties. Information has value. Bank account statements, personal information, credit card numbers, trade secrets, government documents. A very key component of protecting information confidentiality would be encryption. Encryption ensures that only the right people can read the information. Other ways to ensure information confidentiality include enforcing file permissions and access control lists to restrict access to sensitive information. Integrity of information refers to protecting information from being modified by unauthorized parties. Information only has value if it is correct. Information that has been tampered with could prove costly. For example, if you were sending an online money transfer for $100, but the information was tampered in such a way that you actually sent $10,000. Cryptography plays a very major role in ensuring data integrity. Hashing the data you receive and comparing it with the hash of the original message. Availability of information refers to ensuring that authorized parties are able to access the information when needed. Information only has value if the right people can access it at the right times. Denying access to information has become a very common attack nowadays. Almost every week, you can find news about high-profile websites being taken down by DDoS attacks. Primary aim of DDoS attacks is to deny users of the website access to the resources of the website. Regularly doing off-site backups can limit the damage caused by damage to hard drives or natural disasters. For information services that is highly critical, redundancy might be appropriate. A balanced security approach should be implemented to ensure that all three facets are considered when security controls are implemented. When implementing any control, you should identify the facet that the control addresses. Same assets have a critical confidentiality requirement, some have critical integrity requirements, and some have critical availability requirements.